Welcome to Odisha Aadhaar Authentication Framework, a UIDAI based authentication portal for AUAs, KUAs, Sub-AUAs or any authorized agency to securely store, retrieve and update Aadhaar data in a centralized repository. The OAF framework features enrollment module which enables individuals or entities to register and onboard as authorized operators and update their daily attendance, daily activity report, camp schedule and camp report online. Let's understand the flow and process in detail. To begin with the application, enter the website URL www.aadhaar.odisha.gov.in in the browser and navigate to the landing page of the website. Herein, in the heading section, option to set the language of the web page to English and Odia are provided. Click on the respective language to set the same. Next to that are links to web pages, that is Home, About OAF, Sub-AUA Policy, Enrollment, Citizen of Odisha, Scheme Authentication, UIDAI and Login are provided. To view the detailed information about the page, click on respective link. The home link provides an overview of the features and facilities of the application. The About OAAF link gives a detailed view of the application. View the details of the enrollment module in the About Enrollment link. To view the current status of the operator, click on the Search Operator Status link. Enter the certificate number, then mobile number and click on Search button. On clicking, the operator name, certificate number, last updated date, status and last uploaded date appears in a table. Before registering and onboarding as an operator user, there are certain guidelines which the operator must read. Click on the Operator Onboarding Guidelines link and a PDF file of standard operating procedure for training, testing and certification of enrollment and update for operator appears. Read the guidelines thoroughly. Now, if the operator is already onboarded and activated, then the operator user can log in into the portal using respective user credentials. To log in into the portal as operator user, click on the Login button and navigate to the Login section. In the Login section, enter the username, enter the password. To save the password for the username, click on the lock icon. Solve the mathematical CAPTCHA. Enter the answer in the text box. In case the CAPTCHA code provided is not understandable, then click on Refresh icon to change the same. Click on the Login button. In case the user has forgotten the password, then click on the Forgot Password option provided in the Login section and navigate to the Forgot Password page. Herein, enter the username, email ID, solve the CAPTCHA code, enter the answer in the text box. Click on the refresh icon provided to change the CAPTCHA code if required. Now click on the Submit button. On clicking, link to set new password is triggered to the registered email ID. Set the new password through the link. With successful login, get navigated to the dashboard, where links to menu and sub-menu tabs are provided on the left-hand side, which is MIS report and enrollment. As well as the operator dashboard features the option to mark attendance for the current date. Whenever the operator user logs in the application, click on the Mark Attendance button to mark the attendance for the current date. On clicking Get navigated to the Add page, the date and attendance status is auto-filled. Click on Submit button. On clicking, a confirmation alert saying, "Do you want to add attendance?" populates on the screen. Click on the Yes Submit button to confirm the action, or click on No Cancel button to cancel the action and go back. On confirmation only, the attendance is noted in the system. Go to the View page and view the list of attendances marked. Go back to the dashboard again. Next to that is total count of the days the operator is present for selected year and month. In the enrollment section, the total new enrollment, MBU, demographic, biometric and total enrollment is displayed as per the current year, current month and current date. Enrollment. The operator user can mark the attendance in the daily attendance link provided under the enrollment link. Click on the link and navigate to the Add page. Mark the attendance as already instructed before. View the status in the View link. Next is Update Daily Report. The user needs to update report of the daily activities done such as new enrollments, Aadhaar update, biometric update, etc. in a CSV file. Click on the Update Daily Report link and navigate to the Add page. Herein, the current date is auto-filled. Upload the CSV file with data. Make sure the file uploaded is within 2 MB size. Now, click on the Submit button to save the same. On clicking, a confirmation alert appears. Click on the Submit button to submit the report, or Cancel button to cancel the action taken. Once the report is submitted successfully, the report is reflected in the View section as shown here. Filter the record, selecting the To and From Dateline, then click on Search button. On clicking, the respective record details appears in a table. Click on the download icon to download the report uploaded. Now, upload camp schedule. When the UIDAI or government body at district level or block level plan to organize a special camp for Aadhaar registration or upgradation, then the operator receives the request for the event. The operator user needs to upload the report of the camp schedule request in the system. Click on the link and navigate to the Add page. Click on the download icon to download the camp schedule report template. Update the details in the Excel file and upload it again in the system. Click on Choose File option. Select the file from the system and upload it. Now click on Submit button. On clicking, a confirmation alert appears. Click on the Submit button to submit the report, or Cancel button to cancel the action taken. Once the report is submitted successfully, the report is reflected in the View section as shown here. Filter the record, selecting the To and From Dateline and click on the Search button. Upload camp report. Whenever the scheduled camp is done, the operator user needs to update all the activities done like registration, update, modification like demographic modification, etc. in a report file format. Click on the Upload Camp Report link and navigate to the Add page. Select the report type as 0 to 5 camp, above 5 camp or special camp. Download the reporting template by clicking the download icon. Add the required details in the Excel sheet downloaded. Click on the Choose File option. Select the file and upload the same. Click on the Upload button. On clicking, the confirmation message appears on the display screen. Next is MIS report. The MIS report features statistical data on daily attendance tracker and camp reports submitted. Click on the Daily Tracker report to view the statistical data on daily activities recorded by the operator. The report shows the enrollment date, station ID, operator ID, SI name, name of the operator, enrollment number, date, transaction type, appointment ID, and other relatable details in a tabular format. Filter the record selecting the From and To date line, then click on the Search button. User has the facility to download the record in Excel sheet by clicking the Excel icon. Next is View Camp Report. View the analytical report on the camp schedules in this link. The report shows the name of the SI, operator, operator code, station code, number of the camps organized, and other details in a tabular file format. Filter the record entering the search keyword in the search box. User can print the record clicking the print icon. Download the record in PDF and Excel sheet by clicking the respective PDF and Excel sheet icon. This is all about how an operator functions in an Oaaf portal. Hope the video helped to understand the flow better. Now log out from the application by clicking the Log Out button. Thanks for watching this video.